Hello friends, today I'm gonna unbox the Sharpie box I got. It has 40 markers including 5 neon markers. So it says 40 count, 15 fine point, 14 ultra fine point, 5 neon and 6 metallic. So the box looks very colorful. You can gift it to any of your artist friends who use them a lot or kids. So these are the colors they have given. Let's see how do we open it. So here's the tape. I'll try to take out with my nail, not spoiling the box. I like to do this with all the boxes. I like to tear them apart. Okay, so they have given it in this container. So we'll keep this aside for now. And then there are 2 trays. And these are the 5 neons. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are the metallic ones. They said they gave 6. So probably this, okay, yeah, it says neon here, and it says fine point, and here you can see it says AP fine point. Okay, and these are the ultra fine point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we got those. Oh, these are also metallic ones they have mentioned here. These are the metallic ones. This is silver, gold, bronze, metallic ruby, metallic emerald, metallic sapphire. Okay, I have got okay, let's keep them aside. I have got a white thin paper, and this is a little bit thick. You can see this is yellow one is a little bit thick. I'm gonna test them on those 2 and see how they're gonna turn out. So we will start with the regular 15 fine point ones. I'm gonna turn the page and show you how it looks. Yeah, there's a little bleed, but the light ones didn't go much, but the dark ones have. The bright colors have bleeded a little bit more. We'll see this one's the same thing. So I'll turn over so we can see the pinks and black, and these are bright red have come out, but the other ones look okay. So as they said, I got 5 neons and 3, 4 out of this, and then 5. These are very nice. Okay, we're gonna turn again. This is for the neons. Okay, I'm gonna turn it again. They didn't bleed so much except the pink. Let's turn back, and then let's go for the metallic ones. So they're here. They don't have the hook as this one. next 14 ultra fine point. So let's try them out. So yeah, these are the 14 pens of ultra fine point. See, they have given the bottom and the top same color, so we don't mismatch them. I'm gonna turn the paper and see what happened with the neons and the metallic ones. So you can see the metallic ones don't show anything at all. But the ultra fine point, I can see some with the blue, much better than the fine point. And on the yellow paper, you can see the same, not much. I like it. So my review on the neon ones, these three are good. These three are very good. I expected this one to be more neonish, but it isn't. Even same with the blue. And the metallic ones, all 6 seems to be good. Once I start using them, I'll make another review of how it went, how much I like them. And I'm sure I'm gonna use most of these for my drawings, for my artwork. I'm gonna post in a video, this one. So I'm gonna place them for you here to check the difference. So here, and the metallic ones here, and the pink ones. See, that's the difference of the lip. And this, I hope you can see it. So this is how the fold looks so different. So this is the unboxing video of Sharpie 40 markers. Hope you liked it. Please share, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Subscribe to our new channel, MV Crafts Nest.